Hey guys, I'm just doing a video of my Hunter Coastal Breeze ceiling fan, bright brass finish, in 52 inch. I just added a light kit was something that I added on the fan. Do a little close up. Added two bulbs. I think it actually looks really nice on it. And show you the light. Pretty nice. And there's the walnut blades on both sides. Blades are just a little unbalanced, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and turn the light off and then start the fan on low. Okay. And here's medium. Okay. And here's high. It's moving a lot of air, that's for sure. Actually, I love how much air this is moving. It's very silent too. And show you the airflow. Don't mind the white spots on the side of the housing. That's from the sticker price that was on it. I tried peeling it off, but oh well. Show you the blades. Yeah, they're just a little unbalanced, but whatever. And we'll go ahead and turn it off. Oh, sorry. There we go. And we'll have to spin down. I gotta say, it does look neat with that 4 turtle fitter like kit I just put on. I wanted to get a 4-arm like kit and either in polished brass or brass like kit. I don't know. I mean, I was looking want to see if I can find one, but this is actually good enough. I actually like the way it looks. The shades are not original. Actually, those light shades came from my Hunter Westbury that I have. But I gotta say, it looks good the way it looks. It's about to stop any moment. Alright, there you have it, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. More to come.